Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to sketch a nose perfectly. Whether you're a beginner or refining your skills, this step-by-step pencil drawing tutorial will break down all the techniques you need. Let's dive in. First, take a reference image and mark the key points as shown here. This will help you understand the proportions and structure before adding details. Once you've sketched the outlines like this, gently erase any unwanted guidelines to clean up your sketch. Now, you're ready to start adding those realistic details. For shading, you can use blending tools like tissue paper or a paper stump. These help soften harsh lines and create smooth gradients, giving your nose sketch a realistic, three-dimensional texture. Now, take your time and carefully observe the reference image as you begin shading. Focus on matching the light and shadow patterns you see. Work slowly, building up layers of graphite to gradually deepen the tones. Patience here is key for a realistic result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in next video.